Hi, Mark DeLeese here, and in this short video I'm going to be going over the text boxes, or these are more like called Johnson boxes, and there's 7 different colors, and you'll need to go to the shortcodes manager. First of all, you go to your WordPress dashboard, and just once again you go to easysalespress, you go to theme options, and it brings up this page, and you go to your shortcodes manager. Now you can add any shortcode you want, but we have added some predefined shortcodes in this, and the one that we looked at already in the last video was a headline shortcode. This one is the text box shortcode, and here's the text box shortcode right here. That's all it is, and you put your text in between the shortcode, and there's a text box type, and that's right here. It says box type. You simply replace this box type with 7 different colors, and the 7 different colors are here: default, primary, warning, danger, and all you got to do is put the word, one of these words, as the box type, and it will change colors. Now if you want to see what colors they are, you just go to my my sales page here. For example, this is a text box right here, and this is the alert color. Now if you scroll down, you'll see that there's 7 different color styles here. This is the alert color, this is the warning color, the primary is blue, this is the default, kind of like a light gray, the danger color, there's a success color, and the info. There's 7 of them. And I'll show you exactly how this works. So for example, if I go to theme options and I just take this shortcode right here, let me just take this shortcode just so that you can see exactly how it works. Just like that, and I'll right click, I'll copy that, and let me just go to a page here that I can edit. Now let's just come down here, and we've already done this one on the last one, so let me just paste this text box right there. All right, and you can see the body type. This is where we can put in there's 7 different colors, and so for example we're going to put the word primary as the word. So we're going to put the word primary as a box type. So just put the word primary, and this is where you can put in your text. So for example, my sample text, and I'm going to update the page. And then we're going to simply just visit the page, and here it is right here. You see, my sample texty. I put the word texty, and this kind of sounds sexy, doesn't it? There, let me just update the page. There, so as you can see, it's a blue, obviously text box, and if I wanted to change it to a different style, there's 7 of them. Primary, there's another one called warning, and let me just put the word warning in there. And warning, just like this. I'll update the page, refresh it, and there's the warning color. Now here's a tip for my sample text. For the text, you can do any kind of styling that you want, and also you can add shortcode inside the Johnson box. Let me give you an example. I can take this sample text here and I can bold it, hit the bold in the visual editor. Just use the visual editor and use bold. I will also underline the word sample, and I also will change the color to, for example, this color red right there. Okay, so let me just update that. You'll see here if I refresh, so it has my sample text, and now it's bold, and the middle word is underlined with a red color. Now let me show you exactly how this you can add shortcode within this. Remember on the previous one I added a headline shortcode, and the headline shortcode is right here. Remember that? Okay, on my previous video. You can add a headline shortcode inside the box, the Johnson box shortcode, and I'll show you how this works right now. So if I come down right here, I can take this shortcode right here. It's Open Sans font, size 48. Let me take the beginning of it, and I'll add it at the front. There's the front. So now there's 2 shortcodes, and I'll take the end of the shortcode and I'll add it to the end of here. So this is what we have here. Let me just put this over here. We have one shortcode, which is a text box type. There's the beginning bracket, and then there's a headline shortcode right here. And then there's the, obviously, that's the beginning. Here's the end of the headline shortcode. Obviously this is bold, so I can just take that off. I don't need that bolded. Like that. and then there's a closing text box shortcode. All right. So I'm just going to save this, and you can see that the size is size 48. So it's going to be a large font style shortcode inside the text box. So let me just refresh this. It's going to be a big size 48. It's going to be this size, and this is going to be inside this Johnson box. Let me refresh. See that? So that's how it works. You can put obviously sample text, and you can see from my sales page, I did just that. So if you look up here, I added a headline shortcode inside a Johnson box. Thank you.